Let's get you one of your toys. Let's get you one of your little toys. Oh, what is it? Oh boy, what you got? Ooh. What's up, pumpkin? Tell you what, you are just an active little girl. It's right in the morning time. You get up and you're just ready to rock and roll, aren't you? You're just ready to go out and go party. It's all full of loving. I know. Don't worry, I'm gonna make some bacon. Making bacon. No, get back. Yeah, get back, pumpkin. Okay. You are just about as... Hey, no, get back. You don't want to get that. It's hot. Come out, burn your little nose, pumpkin. Just burn your little nose. What you think? Hmm? What are you thinking? Huh? You little stinker? You're just a little pumpkin. Oh, you're about the cutest thing on the planet. You're a good girl. You're just a good little stinker.
How do you feel talking about all this stuff? Being this prominent public figure who's a revered athlete, you know, like less revered than, well, not really, not when you take that. You know, I've been able to make a ton of money playing the sport that I'm really good at, and I'm thankful for that. I have a platform, and I feel like I can speak for those people and all the line for those people, regardless of what kind of process that's what puts me with certain media members. I wanted to know why you think the way you think. You know, sit down with Jim. Why do you think the way you think? And that all of a sudden,
Yeah, I'm gonna get you some breakfast here in just a second here. I'm gonna feed you the same time I eat. I'll take you outside. Yeah, sweetie, let's get back. All right, baby girl. Hang on. Let's get you back here. No, let's get back. Hang on. I know you're a good girl. Let me get you your stuff, okay? Hang on. Let me hydrate all this stuff here. Put some bone broth in. Just relax. Hey, pumpkin, I know. You're not gonna camera. Don't worry, baby girl. I'm gonna get you. I promise. We're gonna eat at the same time, okay? Snowing outside there, little baby girl. I'll go outside here in just a little bit. There you go, sweetie. Ooh, Pumpkin, we got some snow today. What you thinking? We have got one heck of a storm today. It's coming down pretty good. Here's looking back at the camper here. So it's coming in. What do you think, sweetie? Bathroom. Good girl. Woo! It's cold. What you thinking, sweetie? Let's take a look over here. Yeah, I can't really see the ridge behind us here. You see the knob over there, but that's about it. I got the hot tub going. Oh, what are you doing, sweetie? Got the hot tub going last night, but it's not today. I don't have enough firewood. Little goofball. What are you thinking? Okay. Go back inside. I think we got Darrin coming. I don't know which way he's coming from, but I think he's coming over in his Jeep, I think. I don't know, is he coming at the back way or the front way here? Ooh, look at this snow. I mean, it is coming down. I cleared all this yesterday, and it's all covered up again with snow. So, there he is. What's up, dude? Well, I guess we got a little bit of snow, huh?
Yeah, I think we're getting a little bit.
This is awesome.
Yeah,
Come on in. You can meet Meadow. Tell you what, we got a lot of snow out here, and we got more coming. It's supposed to be 6 to 8 inches today, and so far I'd say there's probably about 5 on the ground, I would think. Maybe a little bit less. Come over here, girl. Let's go this way. The sun was out just a little bit ago, so it's starting to compact down a tad, but I want to get out here and do a little bit of filming before the wind knocks all the snow off the trees, because it just looks so cool around here with everything covered in a blanket of snow, and I just love how the property looks with all this snow. Come here, sweet girl. Over here. Come on. Let's go this way. Come here. Go ahead and come this way. Good girl. She's getting herself all acquainted with the area here, and she's doing really good. She slept a full night last night and the night before, so we got 2 nights in a row where she's sleeping really good. She seems to be having a real good appetite and stuff, and loves running around the snow. I just got to be careful that she doesn't hit any cactus because it's all covered in snow. She can't see it. What are you thinking, sweetie? Let's come over here. Hey, let's go this way. Come on. So here's how the garden area looks. I was wanting to do some work in the garden this week, but I think that's probably gonna be on hold until you know the snow melts and all that stuff. Come over here, girl. What you doing over there, sweetie? Look at how much snow we have on the fence here, and also the trees themselves. But definitely love how the terrain looks around here, and gonna get the quad out later and jam around the property in the snow. Here's the old slide out extension. Well, I put some miles on that thing over the years, but it's definitely seen its final days. I'm gonna build a new one. I just don't know. I want to create like a little bit different design for the Tacoma, so we'll figure that out. And then this is the area where I'm gonna add more raised garden beds. So I've got enough room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and maybe 9, 10, and then probably another 10 over here. I still have to clear out this section right here. These are all those bushes that I had that just covered the entire property. So clear these out, and then make all this entire area through here all the way back to the camper. All that's going to be raised garden beds, because I want to be food independent this year, and that's the main goal of getting the land all cleared and getting the property kind of cranked or up to speed for food production. And then, you know, this is my old camper. It's a 1971 Yellowstone camper. It's a 19-footer. And then I just use a simple stove jack here to port out the wood stovepipe. And got a little spark arrestor on the top, which I use to kind of direct for the wind and make it to where I don't get a whole lot of backfill. But what are you thinking, girl? Oh, you having fun? You having fun? You want to go inside? Okay. Then we're going to head back inside while this next round of storms is. I need to get some firewood going because I actually didn't get all my firewood squared away yesterday, and I ran my hot tub last night, so I ran through all of it. And so we're going to do that here, and I think little Meadow is going to chill out inside while I get that squared away. I'm going to just settle down right there while I get some stuff done. You're doing good, sweetie. You're doing real good. I know there's a lot of snow out here. Yeah. You wanna go down? There you go, girl. Oh boy, come on, run, run. You little goofball. You're such a little cutie. All right, let's get this firewood all taken care of. I need to get that heavy snow off my roof, and so I'm going to grab my ladder and bring it over and use my shovel to start knocking off on the sides. I probably can't get the middle part, but at least get the front part of this off, so let's make it happen.